So next set of questions that we have here is consider the experiment of selecting a student randomly from a school where both boys and girls study. Let A be the event that a 10th grade student is selected. Let B be the event that a boy student is selected. Are A and B disjoint? Okay, let's read that again. Consider so we have experiment of selecting a student randomly from school where both boys and girls study. A is the event that A is the event that a 10th grade student is selected, and B is the event that a boy is selected. Hmm. Um, are A and B disjoint? The answer is going to be no. These are not disjoint. Why? So let's see the event A. Event A is selecting a 10th grade student, and event B is selecting a boy student. They can both occur together. So if a boy student from 10th grade is selected, it falls in both A and B category, which means this is not disjoint. Disjoint events are those that cannot happen at the same time. So this means events cannot happen at the same time. That's when it's called disjoint events. Okay, let's move to the second question. Are P and Q disjoint events? Let's check it out. Mm, Okay, again, ideally, when you look at these two sets, you will find that P and Q are disjoint. Okay, but are mm, okay. You will think that these events are disjoint, uh, and you will be right because okay, I'm sorry. These two events are actually disjoint. The reason being, you have 3, 8, and 9, and you have 9, 10, and 11. Here, both 9 and 9 are common. Disjoint events cannot have common elements. So disjoint events cannot have common elements, which means 9 shouldn't have occurred in both. That's why this is no. Third question. Let A be some set and B be some set. These are two sets. The difference of set A and B is given by. So difference means 6 and 7 element will not be there. You will remove this from this. So 6 and 7 when removed will give you 1, 2, 5. So option number 2 is correct. I think this is very straightforward. A minus B set. You must have done these problems before in your classes. Let S be some set, sample space, and let A be an event. Then complement of A equals. Complement means event A will not occur. When complement means excluding something, that exactly means complement. So when you say sample space will have complement of A, that will be another set. That simply means in sample space you are going to remove 2, 4, 6. Your final answer then is going to be anything after 2, 4, 6. So it's going to be this one, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. Next up, we have considering um, the experiment of throwing a fair die. Let A be the event that an odd number is thrown. Let B denote the event of getting an even number other than 2. Then A union B. Okay. So you are throwing a fair dice. A is the event that an odd number is thrown. So what is A? A is going to be 1, 3, and 5. That's odd. What is B? B is going to be events that an even number other than 2. So it's going to be 4 and 6. And you are asking what is A union B, which is combination of this. So this is going to be 1, 3, 5, 4, 6. Okay. I hope this makes sense. Thank you. We'll see other exercise questions.